Welcome to Babonga's channel. Today I'm gonna show you how we can make bling paper mache orc fingertips, good for cosplay or ASMR. We start with a clear, clean and dry plastic bottle. If we were cooks or chefs, we could say that we can fillet this bottle and cut the useful parts. So from my bottle I got 4 fillets like these that I'm going to cut in half. And with my scissors from these halves I'm going to create plastic nail shapes. If you know my channel, you will know that I've done this exact work before, but for a different project. Anyway, now we have plastic nail shapes. But of course there is another solution. We can use ready plastic nails, but we need to make them long, so as you see here I'm gluing 2 of them together. After gluing, I have to file them a little bit so there is no bump in the middle. In any case, now we have a choice. What I need now is a plastic glove like this, a rubber glove like this, from which I'm cutting 1 finger. This will fit perfectly on my finger. Now I need mask tape and I'm going to cover all the rubber finger except maybe a little bit at the bottom, and I'm gonna take special care on how to cover the tip. I need about 2 layers of mask tape, which I believe is called masking tape. Now let's prepare for paper mache layering. Torn newspaper pieces and white glue. You just have to cover all the masking tape with at least 2 layers of paper mache. So take your time with this and be extra careful while covering the tip of the finger. Now we are ready. As you see, I didn't cover the bottom. Next, I have to choose which nail I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this clear plastic nail. First, I apply clear glue on the tip of the paper mache finger, and then I put the nail on, and to steady it, I'm gonna use a little bit of masking tape. So now it will never ever come off, because of course where there is masking tape there has to be also paper mache, so I'm covering the bit of masking tape with paper mache. We need to take extra care at the sides of the nail so there is no gap there, and after this we have to wait for it to dry. Of course, you can make another one as I did here. And now I'm gonna try the other type of nail, doing the same work. Applying glue and then masking tape like this, and finally covering this with a little more paper mache. Okay, now it looks perfect also. Next is to create a canvas for our art. So I'm painting the fingers, only the paper mache part, with white. After everything dries comes the moment of truth. In fact, it comes very easily off with a little wiggling, like this. So no trouble here. But I need to trim the bottom part to give it a nice, even, round edge. It's still pretty soft and simple scissors will do the job. And after this, the fun part starts. To make my BLING Orc fingertips, I'm gonna use acrylics for the paper mache part and various nail products for the nail part. It'll take quite a bit, but it's pure fun. So, BLING paper mache Orc fingertips.